Good afternoon and happy Thursday, everyone. It is Scott Wohlers with River Place Capital. It is Thursday, October the 22nd, and wanted to just talk about what's happened in the markets in this last week, what's moved them, what we're seeing, what trends we're seeing in the marketplace, and wanted to also discuss and talk a little bit about its earnings season, or what is that doing to the market? What are we seeing so far out of company earnings so far this quarter? And last week was pretty much essentially a flat week. You saw the S&P 500 up 0.2% or up 20 basis points for the week. And the mid cap and the small cap indexes were essentially just right around flat, as we didn't move one way or the other. But as I mentioned at the beginning of the video here, is that earnings season is upon us. And one of the very shocking things, very interesting things, is so far we have been reporting, and 83% of the companies who have reported are beating the Wall Street analyst estimates that they've set for those companies. The average rate of beat is around 19% for the quarter. So we are well ahead, and the average beat is around 3 to 5%, and we are seeing beats in the double digits on average, the companies beating earnings. So that being said, essentially you would believe that markets would move higher off of the news of great earnings so far this quarter. Because traditionally in quarters past and years past and historically in the market, earnings has a very, very big impact on what moves markets forward, because it's how much companies are actually earning and what they're trading at versus what they're worth and what they're earning. However, contrary to past and where we are today, or contrary to the past, where we are today, is we are not seeing that move markets at all. We are seeing markets stay flat, and if anything, what we're seeing is we're seeing markets open the day optimistic off of earnings news, but as the day progresses, you watch the market just slowly and steadily fall down and fall into negative territory. And what that's telling us is that investors are liking what they see from the earnings. However, they're more concerned still with the stimulus deal being done, as well as we have a week and a half away from an election. So what that's telling you is there's not a lot of buying power that's in the market to hold the market up. So buyers aren't in there buying, they're waiting on these headlines. We don't have any new vaccine news. We don't have any new stimulus news. We have flat news on that, and you're seeing markets react that way. So what that's telling us still as investors is the stimulus deal is what is really moving markets, what markets are waiting to see get done. But interestingly enough, if you look at the market today, the market is showing right around flat, slightly negative as we speak right now. The S&P 500 is slightly negative. However, the equal weight S&P 500 as of right now is up about 47 basis points. Again, going to what we've been talking about over the last several weeks, the importance of having a diversified portfolio is the average stocks are now playing catch up to the market. So we were led higher by the backs of 7 or 8 names, where the rest of the market really wasn't participating in that. So even though we're flat and we're not really moving tremendously higher on the index as a whole, the average stock is actually moving higher. And it's great news, and it's great health for the stock market and the market's moving forward. So if you have questions about what's going on with your portfolio, or ways in which we can help you navigate through these volatile times, feel free to give us a call at 904-346-3460, or as always, check us out online at riverplacecapital.com. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.